In this video, we take a look at the standards that are built into Project ESG Reporting Preview. First, select All Standards. On this page appears the variety of standards that are readily available. You can select each of these standards to review their requirements. To do this, go to the Requirements tab, where all the requirements are structured in a tree format with parent and child relationships. This setup helps you review all the requirements easily. If you want to bring in your own template, you can do that as well. Simply select New to create a new template. For instance, if you want to bring in your annual reporting template, give it a name and then save and close. Next, go to the annual issue reporting template you just created, and you can start adding requirements using our user interface. For example, let's add a category called Emissions. Save and close it. Now, let's add another requirement under Emissions called Scope 1 Emissions. When adding Scope 1 emissions, select Emissions as the parent requirement. Everything is arranged hierarchically, making it easier to organize and respond to various reports. Save and close to finalize. If you prefer, you can also import templates in Excel or CSV format. To do this, you'll need to include specific columns such as name, description, parent, standard requirement ID, standard ID, and short code. Populate your template with these columns and import it, and the tree structure will automatically be created without needing manual entry. This way, you can seamlessly integrate your in-house templates and begin reporting against them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links for more information and join the conversation on our social media pages.